This YouTube channel is making $26,700 per month by just uploading YouTube shorts. In fact, I created 100 of the same YouTube shorts in just 20 minutes using AI tools. In today's video, I'm going to explain how we can create such fact videos using ChatGPT and Canva, so you can create your faceless YouTube channel and earn from YouTube. Let's start the video. First of all, we need a script for our video, so for script, we will use ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and give a prompt. I need 50 facts of boys and girls in the similar format. I need these in a table format and 2 columns with numbering. Divide all the facts in 2 columns. First column is boys' facts and second column is girls' facts. And don't use they. Use either boys or girls. You can copy the prompt from description. As you can see, ChatGPT provides us with all the quotes. Now we have to copy it and paste in any notepad. So let's move on to the second step. Open Canva, click on video option, and then again click on video. Then search there. It will give you a lot of different quote templates. Select any template. I am selecting that one. Now copy template box and paste it and adjust its position to below. Now copy first boy fact and paste it in first template box. Now again copy first girl fact, then paste in the second template. Now add animation to both facts box. Then click on first text box and adjust its time to first 3 seconds. And then do the same step with second text box and adjust its timeline to last 2 seconds. Let's see how it's look. Amazing! Now here comes the real magic. We are going to insert the database of quotes into Canva, so we can make hundreds of different videos with just a single click. Go to app option, then click there bulk create. Clear the table and paste all the facts which we have generated from ChatGPT. Now connect data to the template box. Connect first template to boys fact and second to girl fact, and then click on continue and generate the designs. Within second, Canva will generate all the videos. The only downside is that all the videos have the same background, but we can change this manually by going to the menu bar on the left and selecting elements. Here you can search for different videos and choose the one you like. Click on the 3 dots at the top of the video and select replace background. And this is how you can generate so many shorts just like this so fast.